Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I decorate the table with the ruffled string table skirt. All we need is the one-piece tablecloth and the ruffled string table skirt. We accept make to order. But since this video will focus on how to DIY the table decoration with this skirt, so we don't talk much about the tablecloth. If you want to know the type of the tablecloth and more detail about the tablecloth, please click this file. There is a video to show you the detail about the tablecloth. If you want to customize the tablecloth and the ruffled string skirt, please check the information fields for the link of my Facebook and my blog, so you can check all the price for our product in detail. First, let's look at the ruffled string. This ruffled string, using the fabric, will be much more thick than the nest or any such fabric. This fabric will be better, can help you to make the string much more beautiful than other material. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we need to put on the tablecloth. I don't show you how to put on the table skirt. If you want to see the detail, click here. Okay, let's go. This is what after I put on the tablecloth. In fact, this is the basic design and quite enough for a event or a wedding. Just put this tablecloth will be okay, because the fabric of this tablecloth is thick and very good, a little bright. So just using this tablecloth will be also make your event, your wedding beautiful. But of course, if you want to decorate your table much more unique, gorgeous, let's go on for the next step. Okay, let's put on the clip. You can buy the clip from us. We have different size. Just tell me the thickness of your table will be okay. Okay, we put on the clip. You try to put more clip will be better, but in fact, it say 3 clip in 1 meter will be okay. Okay, let's go to the next step. Okay, the next step is very simple. Look at this table skirt. There is Velcro served on the skirt, so it's very simple. Just stick the table skirt on the clip will be okay. It's very easy, but I'm holding the phone, so it's not much convenient for me. Okay. Okay, this is what after we put on the skirt. This skirt also can use for round table. Okay. What do you think about this? It's full, right? Because the fabric. Let's check the fabric. They use this fabric will be much more thick than the neck or such fabric, and so it can make the shape look full. Actually, I think it's not full enough. I talked to factory to ask them to add more string here to make it much more full, but they told me that will increase the cost and it's not worth it. So after consider, they said this design will be good enough after consider the effect and the price. Okay, this is today's tutorial. On the following, I will post other video to show my other idea about using the fabric, the tablecloth, the fabric, and our flowers to decorate the table. Please keep eyes on us, but please help to do not skip the advertisement, because I will get revenue from YouTube and use that money to buy more material and take more video. Thanks for your help and thank you for your watching. Okay, bye bye.